Hello guys, welcome to the video. Today we will be talking about the most powerful tool in Excel, Power Pivot. If you struggle with Excel formulas that can scale or dashboards that break with large data, Power Pivot is a tool for you. Power Pivot is an Excel add-in used for powerful data analysis and create sophisticated data model. It allows user to import large volume of data from multiple sources into a single workbook Excel, by which we can create relationship between data and create calculated column and build a pivot table. So to work with pivot table, let's go to the video. First of all, let's see how can we enable Power Pivot in Excel. You need to see Power Pivot right here in any tab, but if you cannot see it, go to File, Option, and come down to Adds in and select Commerce in and go, and you will use Power Pivot for Excel. Just click it and hit OK, and it will show right here. Now I have this data set which is 5 sheet, and I want to bring this to data model. So I need to close this Excel file and open a new Excel file. Then I will go to Power Pivot, Manage. This is the Power Pivot window. You will see it will open. And I need to go to from other source. This is a lot of other source you can bring data to Power Pivot, but I'm gonna bring it from Excel. I'm gonna select Excel next. I'm gonna browse my this is my data. I'm gonna open, and my data I have already column header. So I'm gonna next, and I want to bring every sheet in the data. If you have separated Excel workbook, you can also bring there too, and to Power Pivot and finish, and it's close. Now these are all my sheet in Power Pivot. I can also click here on a diagram view, and I can see all my sheet right here, and this is where we will build a relationship. So the relationship between two sheets which have similar data type are related to other. Like if you can look at our sales and customer data, the customer ID are the same. So to make a relationship, you just click here and drag down on customer name. I'm gonna delete this relationship, edit relationship. You can, if you make a mistake, you can edit relationship, and I don't want a customer name, I want a customer ID. Now it is okay, and my relationship will be updated. Now if I hover it, it will show me that customer ID, customer ID from both table is highlighted. So I'm gonna bring this table right here or in the middle right here, and I'm gonna these table 2. These 5 tables are in my data model, but the relationship are between those tables which are related. So these customer and sale related, and then there is a product ID and product ID also here as well. So I'm going to click again on product ID and leave it here, and it will make a relationship between product ID, between sales and product table. Now notice one thing here, there is 1 and star. So 1 mean 1 and the star mean many. So this is a one-to-many relationship. Like in a product ID, the product ID will be shown one time, but in a sales ID, it will be shown multiple times. So that is a one-to-many relationship. So that's how we can create a data model. If there is any other related column between these tables, we can make a relationship. Now if we come down to a data view, we can create, measure, and create custom column like we do in Power Query, but between multiple table. So like in my my sales data, I want to bring down a region name. So this is the region, and I want to come down. So this I want to first of all I want to delete this column, delete the column, and then you just click here and equal like an Excel will be highlighted right here, and I want to there's a formula which is related, and then I'm gonna, what is the relationship that in a customer, I'm gonna bring down the region. So this is selected. I want to close the bracket and hit enter, and related to customer, all the region is there. I'm gonna sorry, and we can relate. You can also bring those columns, which is if you want to identify like the product name right here in a product column. You can also made a calculated pre like total sale unit multiplied by prices. If you already write it here, but if we did not have it, we can calculate that as well with the unit and price and other related. Now I'm going to show you a measure. A measure is like a KPI. We can create in a data model that we can use later. So the first KPI I'm going to create right here, we can create a measure or a DEX measure right down below. So first I'm going to find out the total sales and then equal, just click right here and equal it appear here and sum. I'm going to sum it and I'm going to sale. I'm going to go to sales table and in sale I'm going to select amount and my sales will be calculated. So this is my total sale. I can also rename this total sales. Okay, and that is renamed to total sale. I'm going to create one more measure. I'm going to write down here and the average age of our customer. So equal average and customer age. First you need to select the table in this. I selected the table customer and then I selected the column. And hit enter and I will get the. You just need to expand this to see the full measure. I'm going to rename it average customer age. Okay, which is 58.2. So that's how you can work with Power Pivot. There is a lot of advanced functionality in Power Pivot you can work with, and then when you finish here with data modeling and all the measures, you can right click here and bring it down to pivot table. And now if we see it, all our table should be related. Customer product, like customer name, I'm going to select it and then I'm going to sales right down here and I'm going to amount, so it will show me the total amount, and this is the total sale. We create measure of it, and also this is I'm going to show you this is the total sale, this is the average column, and you can use this here in KPIs. Click right here in KPI, new KPI, and we'll select the total sale, and I'm going to compare it with the. If you created another measure, you can compare with another measure, but I'm going to compare with absolute value. So the sales were 10,000. So the sale of 10,000 will be a good number to compare with the sales amount of every customer, and we can select this here. I'm going to select this one and hit OK. Now if I come down here, I will show we'll see this. This is the total value, which is we already here. We can extract this amount and add this one, and then the goal is this amount 10,000, and you can see the status here, like he is about 10,000, so this target is good. He is about 10,000 is good. The other one are someone are near, someone are very bad, 3,000. And this is how you can work with pivot table. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button so I can bring more video like this in Excel and for accounting. Thank you for watching.